Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install free XSL certificates, thereby encrypting your web server with HTTPS. So we are going to do so by installing Let's Encrypt on Ubuntu server 22.04 to secure your nginx web server. So we start by updating the Ubuntu server. So as it is, certbot recommends using their snap package for installation. So after installing the snap packages, you can now install certbot using the following command. Finally, you can now link the certbot command from the snap install directory to your path, so you'll be able to run it just by typing certbot. Okay, that's good. Now we need to confirm nginx configuration. In my previous video, I've already shown how to install nginx on Ubuntu server as a reverse proxy to your web application. So I'm going to put the link below this video to show you how to do that. So now we have to configure. We have find. So now we have to configure engine Let's Encrypt to secure our SSL to secure our web application. So now to obtain our SSL, there's a way certbot provides a variety of ways to obtain SSL certificates through plugins. And since you have Nginx web server installed in your system, the plugins Nginx plugin will take care of configuring your Nginx and reloading the config whenever necessary. So we use the following command to obtain the SSL certificate to your web application. And before you do so, you must have a domain name registered for your web application. So I already have mine. So I'm going to yeah. Before I do this, lest I forget, you have to include your domain name in your um web server configure file. Oh, okay. So on this line, you have to include your domain, the domain name you want to use. You want to update the certificate for. Okay. Check your system. To check your nginx web server config file that it's okay. Okay. You can see the test is successful. Then you can now start your web server. That's good. Now we obtain an SSL certificate for our application. So you can input your email so as to get a reminder whenever you need to, whenever Sadbo need to send a message, probably at the time your SSL certificate is about to expire. So you can just do enter for the rest of the, sorry, understand? Yes, yes. So the rest of the pop-up questions or options so as to obtain a certificate. As you can see, deploying certificate, successfully deployed certificate for the domain name I have. So to verify that the certbot auto that's less encrypt auto renew is up and running, you can use the following command. You guys can see it's inactive at the moment. So to test the neural process, you can do a dry run with certbot by using the following command. Okay. So all simulation are all good. As you can see, congratulations, all simulated renewal succeeded. So thank you for your time, taking your time to watch my video. You can like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more to do tech videos. Thank you.